Are you looking to clean up your Instagram profile by deleting multiple posts you've shared by date? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has rolled out a new update that allows you to easily do just that on your PC. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to delete multiple posts by date on Instagram. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the three dots. From the menu that appears, click on Your Activity. Once you're in the Your Activity section, go to the Photos and Videos section, then click on the Posts section. Here, you'll see all the posts you have shared on Instagram. To make it easier to find the posts you want to delete, click on Sort and Filter. Now, enter the start date and end date for the period of the posts you want to delete. Click on Apply to filter the posts based on the dates you've selected. Next, click on Select to choose the posts you want to delete. You can select multiple posts at once by clicking on each post. After selecting the posts, click on Delete and confirm the deletion. And just like that, you've successfully deleted multiple posts by date on Instagram. Cleaning up your Instagram profile has never been easier thanks to this new update. So go ahead and give it a try on your PC today. Thank you for watching.